Hello everyone, I am Preeti Sarkar.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pretty She's and I am Preeti. So today is the final day of our show. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा nervous नहीं हूँ. I'm curious and I'm super excited for today. तो आज मैंने breakfast में curd and cornflakes खाया. Then I did my shampoo. It's super cold, but I did it for the sake of like करना था. तो आई हैव ओनली अप्लाइड सनस्क्रीन क्योंकि हमारे वहाँ जाकर जो बोटिंग क्लब है लोकेशन वहाँ जाके पहले प्रैक्टिस होगा एंड देन विल डू आर मेकअप. सो इट्स 9:20 एंड आई नीड टू रीच देयर बाय 11. सो मैं सेम बस से जाने वाली हूँ. बट टुडे इज़ समथिंग स्पेशल. आज मैंने एक डिटॉक्स ड्रिंक बनाया है जो कि हमारे डाइटिशियन ने हमें सजेस्ट किया था. आई विल शो यू व्हाट आर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आई हैव यूज्ड. दिस इज़ द ड्रिंक. मतलब इसमें क्यूकम्बर है, पुदीना पत्ता है, कैरेट है एंड वाटर है. तो इसको 1 घंटा रखने के बाद मैं इसमें वो वाटर ले लूँगी एंड आई हैव टू ड्रिंक इट थ्रू आउट द डे. So yesterday I also had this detox water and I feel like it's very healthy. I don't know about anything else, but it is keeping me hydrated and the taste is also very nice. So I'm happy with it. So apart from that, let's go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Listen, that's getting slow, speaking fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got. It was built to last, yeah.
I'm Jacka.
Now that I've been put through hell, never got anyone's help, had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable, dreams are irresponsible. Just believe it could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off, knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. I'm making modern kingdom for the taking.
Sale se lift roti. Yeah.
Never got anyone's help.
So we have roti, chicken and salad.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So 7 8 ঠিক আছে 9 is the purple नहीं वो कलर ब्रेके আসছে কিন্তু না ও ট্রানজিটে যাচ্ছে পরের কালারে তাহলে ওদের এই
মানে তো Okay, so I got my hair half done and I have prepped my face. You can see my lens. So I'll change quickly to my innerwears, like because the dresses will be different. So yeah, I'm excited. I was little down, so I did a little meditation and it helped me a lot. I use an app that helps a lot. And जब मैंने meditation किया, it's for 10 minutes मैंने किया and I instantly felt so calm. I'm still very calm. मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm very concentrated and let's see what happens. I'll enjoy whatever happens. Look at all the tensed faces. Nobody is tensed. Are you tensed?
Nervous.
Nervous? How?
Shivering.
You are shivering because of the fan.
Cold.
Yeah, you're looking so pretty.
Thank you.
Our Tripura girl and our Barbie girl.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Excited and nervous.
Your parents are here, na?
Yes. Finally.
Finally. How are you feeling? Amazing.
This is also a poem. Practicing her ramp again and again,
हाँ.
and again.
Yeah. আমাকে দেখে মনে হচ্ছে বোম পড়েছিল, সব ছিটকে গেছে আর আমি ছিটকে গেছি।
বলেছি তো ভালো
কখন বললি? আমার মুখের উপর বল এক্ষুনি।
এতবার বললাম।
Thanks.
আমি তো জিজ্ঞাসাও করলাম তোর মেকআপ কে করেছে,
makeup
শুনিস
টা।
পাত্তাই দিই।
The show has been started, guys, but we aren't ready yet.
শারদ সুন্দরী 2021
These are the judges we gonna have. Second round.
খুব আচ্ছা লাগলো।
The side.
Hello everyone, I am Preeti Sarkar, a fashion content creator who loves art. 16 years of dancing experience has made me realize that life also has rhythm and beats. My only dream is to become an actress and inspire as many girls as I can so that they can also come out of their shell. Thank you so much, Sharad Sundari, for this wonderful platform where women like me can come and achieve their dreams. Thank you so much.
So much, Preeti, and time for number 10.
Second bit.
Yogeshwar Mukherjee.
Hello, Preeti. You're looking graceful.
Thank you, sir.
My question is, do you really think that that look matters?
Thank you, sir, for your question. I believe in ethical beauty. And what I mean by that is when you're beautiful from the heart, when you're kind to others whom you don't even know, that's what matters the most. Especially, I have seen my mother. She's a nursing staff. I have seen her to be kind to the patients without any hesitation. She has gone to night duties without any hesitations. That what beauty is, that what look is. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Preeti. যার নামটা আমার সবথেকে ইন্টারেস্টিং লেগেছে এখানে
सब हो गया है, अभी रिजल्ट्स के लिए वेट करते हैं. She is a wonderful MC, talker, a walker, everything. And each of us answers were amazing.
We are the Sharad, we are the Sundari.
We are our Sharad, we are our Sundari. Thank you so
And her
much.
name is also Preeti Sarkar. Sundari.
Bye.
The winner is Preeti Sarkar.
So we have won the second runners-up cup position. I'm super happy. This is my crown. This journey was amazing and I am ending this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching.